treat you well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. What do you mean? When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean? Hey, yeah. When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? What do you mean? Says you're running out of time. What do you mean? What do you mean? Better make up your mind. What do you mean?
And I hope you enjoyed this magical, wonderful, and amazing video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out!